Are your Arellia Group Policy Agent apps crashing due to the Arellia Agent Group Policy Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we dive into the Arellia Agent Group Policy Module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Arellia Agent Group Policy Module, part of the Arellia Privilege Management suite, managing the localized group policy overrides for admin rights. It handles the background handshake between the PC and the policy server. If missing, users will be unable to run software with elevated privileges, citing a policy module not found. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Arellia, our agent group policy, belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Arellia Agent Group Policy Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Arellia Agent Group Policy Module DLL. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Arellia Agent Group Policy Module. To keep Arellia Agent Group Policy Module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.